to get your Claude API key. So first thing you need to do is go ahead on your available browser and type in console.anthropic.com/login. But if you have already an account, so you will be led to this page. So that says /dashboard. So once you're here on this page, what you can see here is an options that you need to read. So you have a write a prompt, generate a prompt, improving an existing prompt, get API keys, and explore documentation. So your goal here is to get an API key. So you will have to click on that option. So you will see on this pop-up menu that you will have to start building with Claude. So you just have to launch your first project with just $5 and use your credits flexibly in the developer console, Claude Code, and the API. So what you can do here is you just have to type in your card number and sign in or type in the expiration date and security code. Next is you have to read on this and you have to drop down the details on the billing address. So you just have to type in your full name, your country, region, and address. Next is you have to read on this. So my shipping address is the same as my billing address. So you just have to click on that one. And after that, this button will be available for the credits. And in that way, so once you're done here, you will have to proceed to getting your API keys. So that way, you will be able to get your API key and use the Claude API smoothly. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment down below and we'll see you again on the next one. Thank you.